Hello and welcome to Infinite Peer-to-Peer, a proof of concept game I'm making to experiment with 3D terrain generation, peer-to-peer networking, and the blockchain. So what you see below me is the terrain scrolling by is an infinite world of procedurally generated terrain. So terrain is split into chunks. Each chunk can have a different level of detail depending on its distance from the player. And the algorithm I'm using is just some Perlin noise and has much need for improvement, like making more interesting features, buildings, or other reasons to actually explore the world. So this is not a single player game. This is supposed to be an infinitely scalable multiplayer, but since I cannot pay for a million servers, I went with a decentralized server model. So all player positions and permanent game data is stored either in the blockchain or sent directly to other players with peer-to-peer. So there's no reliance on a single point of failure like a centralized server. This also has the benefit of preventing a single entity like a corporation from deleting everyone's user data. So data is all stored on the blockchain, including these voxels here. So when I add and remove them, we trigger a smart contract that adds and removes voxels from our blockchain, which is TRON. So as you can see here, I've also got players moving around the world, and those communicate via the browser peer-to-peer networking tool called WebRTC. There's a lot of work to be done here as well because there's a limit to the amount of connections a user can directly make to other peers. So we might need to implement something like mesh networking to improve the scalability of our server. So I learned a lot from this project, a lot about how blockchains work, improving just general game performance and browser performance for this game, and about WebRTC, which has a lot of quirks like providing fallback public servers just in case the user has a firewall that prevents peer-to-peer networking. So thanks for viewing my demo and have a nice day.